I've made many mistakes while hunting, and I've learned a lot from them too. Today, I'm going to share some of those mistakes with you, things you should absolutely avoid when you're out hunting. Now, these aren't the same old boring mistakes you've probably heard 100 times before. Today, you're actually going to learn something new. So stick around till the end of the video and make sure to hit that like button. I'm Shahzaib from Worldwide Hunting Guide. I hope you're all doing great. Before we jump into today's topic, I'd like to request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. When it comes to hunting, we all make mistakes. So I'd also like you to share your own mistakes in the comments so we can all learn from each other. I'm not talking about common mistakes like forgetting your shells, leaving your boots behind, or not putting fuel in the boat. Trust me, I've done all of that too. Today I'm talking about mistakes we often make during the hunt without even realizing it. So here are 10 mistakes. Number 1. Keep shooting until the duck is completely dead and fully out of range. This is especially for teal and redheads. These ducks are known for diving and disappearing. If you stop shooting too early, a lot of times the duck gets lost and you end up wasting time trying to find it. Number 2. Wearing too many clothes while setting up decoys. I often wear a jacket on the boat because it's cold, but then I forget to take it off while setting the decoys. That usually makes me sweat a lot, and by the time I'm done, it feels like I just fell into the water. So it's better to take your jacket off while setting up the decoys and then put it back on once you're in the blind. That way you stay warm without getting soaked in sweat. Number 3, don't sit in a spot where you can't see the ducks. If you can't see them, you can't call them either. Your calling position should allow you to see both the ducks and your decoys. Number 4, being lazy about adding motion to your spread. Things like splashers or spinners can make a big difference. Sometimes we think we'll add them later if needed, but if the wind is low, motion becomes very important. It's better to spend a little extra time setting them up than to miss shooting opportunities. Number 5, saving your shot for too long. Sometimes we let ducks gather together and wait too long to shoot when they're already within range or near the decoys. We get greedy and end up missing even the ducks that were already there. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Number 6, going to retrieve a duck without taking your gun. Sometimes the duck isn't completely dead and can fly away while you're picking it up. If you have your gun with you, you can finish the job. Number 7, hunting from a poorly built blind. If your blind isn't properly brushed in, ducks will spot you easily. Ducks have incredibly sharp eyesight, so hiding your blind well with natural cover is extremely important. Number 8, getting greedy and not making the shoot call. Sometimes we want to see the ducks land before shooting, so we wait too long. Often they circle once and then leave. It's better to take the shot when you get a good opportunity and they're in a good range. This can either make you a hero or a zero. Number 9, waiting too long to change decoys or location. If 2 or 3 flocks pass by without responding, something is probably wrong. It could be your calling, your decoy placement, or even your location. Whatever seems right, make the adjustment quickly. Number 10, not keeping your gun loaded. Sometimes ducks suddenly appear right in front of you, and if your gun isn't loaded, you miss the opportunity. Always keep your gun ready, but make sure you follow proper safety rules. So these were my mistakes. Now, I'd like to hear yours. Share them in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching. And one message for all of you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Ask them to share it with 3 more friends. Through this chain, we can turn this into a global hunting adventure. Thanks for watching.